If your dishwasher won't start, there are a few quick and easy checks that you can do before calling in a professional or buying a new one. If the control panel doesn't show any signs of life, then the first thing to check is the socket. Try unplugging your dishwasher and plugging in something else like a lamp, for example. If the lamp works, the problem will likely be with your dishwasher rather than the socket. If the control panel does work, then make sure the door is fully closed and try to start the machine again. Once you've tried the socket and made sure the door is fully closed, the next thing to have a look at is the dishwasher manual. In here you should find the manual reset instructions. The problem may well be caused by the dishwasher having not finished its previous cycle, so carry out the manual reset to see if that fixes the problem. If your dishwasher's still not starting, then now's the time to call in a professional to have a look. Visit Which trusted traders, where you'll find hundreds of reviews from Which members on traders and repair workers in your area. If your dishwasher is beyond repair, or you think it might just be cheaper to buy a new one, join Which, where you'll find hundreds of reviews and the most reliable brands.